In this video, I'll show you how to fix you having issue on Windows 11. Just drag and drop doesn't work. To fix it, I click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Search Windows Explorer. I click on the Windows Explorer and select Restart. Once you're done, try to drag and drop. This should work. If not, go to search menu and type change user account control setting. Set this point to second line and select OK to save changes. If this also doesn't fix, go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator. Now type sfc space slash scannow and press enter. Once you've done this first command, check my video description for this second command, copy and paste it and press enter. Once this completed, just close up here and check drag and drop works or not. If you're still having a problem, then copy this registry path and go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it, paste the path we copied and press enter. Double click on this enable LUA and set this value to 0 and click on OK. Now restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.